What's for dinner?
Hey everyone, I'm Chef Z, and as you know, cooking live on my channel is one of my favorite things to do, and I've been able to effortlessly live stream with the help of my Mevo cameras. They're easy to use, lightweight, and things just got a whole lot better. Mevo by Logitech has recently launched a premium service with pro features that you can actually use within the Multicam app. Mevo Pro lets you simultaneously stream to your favorite platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and more. Now, what this means is that you can actually have one setup just like you see right here, and then you can broadcast your live stream over multiple locations where you can reach all of your devoted subscribers and viewers with the Mevo Pro account. Now, the beauty with these Pro features is that you can add as many streaming destinations as you like. Make sure that you sign up for a free 14-day trial subscription to test out Mevo Pro. You'll also have the option of signing up for an annual service and monthly service. I'll have the link down below. Now, Mevo Pro unlocks one of my personal favorite features, and that's the ability to use my phone or any mobile device as an additional camera or even a microphone. All you need is the Mevo Go app, which is actually a companion app to the Mevo Multicam app and works for both iOS and Android devices. You set the device up in the app as either a video source or an audio source or both. This then connects to the Multicam app and voila. The best part about the Mevo Go app is that it's free, and the Mevo Pro account helps you unlock its features. Now for me, this means that I can have a dedicated mic for sizzle sounds and more. And I love this because as someone who cooks on the stove and the kitchen island, I can get maximum coverage without manually having to move my cameras. It also allows me to have different mics set up throughout the kitchen so that you feel like you're in the kitchen with me. Now let's see this in action. Before you get started, make sure that you're all signed into your Pro account. Add your devices, which I've actually have already done. Click the platforms that you like to live stream, and today for me that's actually going to be YouTube and Facebook, and then hit Go Live. You see that I have all of my Mevo cameras set up and ready to go, and I'm actually using my phone as a dedicated mic because you guessed it. Today, we're going to be sizzling some shrimp, and I'm quickly going to season it with a little bit of kosher salt and some black pepper. Now, the secret to getting your shrimp beautifully crispy and tasty is to actually let it dry out. And now we're actually going to cook it onto the stove, and now that my pot is nice and hot. And this is my favorite part. You can control all of this through the app, and the possibilities are endless. The good thing with the Pro account is that the host is actually the only one who needs to be logged in to allow for the live stream to broadcast to various locations. Remember that the Multicam app also allows you to add your graphic overlays and more. At the end of the day, listen, I prefer a live stream setup that's quick, easy, and delivers high quality video. You guys know that my job is not done unless the food on the screen makes you hungry, and these cameras help me do just that. The quicker that I can get dinner on the table, the better. Now, Mevo is continuously evolving and adding new features that, dare I say, make my job easier and my husband's job easier as well. Click the link below for a free 14-day trial subscription to start using Mevo Pro. And be on the lookout because new features are going to be coming soon to Mevo Pro, and I'll see you in my next video.